Hello, my name is Candy Spade, and I am a professional organizer and the owner of Order Your Steps. So let's start over. My previous promo was really boring, and it really didn't give you what I really wanted to tell you, although it had all the right information. Let me explain. The course that I've created, Tackling Our Closet, was birthed out of me having a desire to be able to share information with those individuals that I could not work with one-on-one. I've had years of experience. I've worked with Xerox in customer service for most, if not all, my career. I've always been the problem solver, and I've always been very detail oriented. That's just who I am. So what I wanted to do was to create this program that would address one of the biggest opportunities in becoming organized, and that's the closet. So I'm looking forward to working with you. I really hope that you will join us. So let's get started.